Joy Ma Bogala Mukhi Devi Joy. Hello viewers, I am Somnath Chatterjee and you are watching your favorite channel Tantra Vikyan. By the grace of Ma Bogala Devi, you have all had a good month and you have done everything possible to keep others well. I believe you like my video and the information I have given. I give you the remedial measures that you apply in your life properly. So if you like the video, you must like it after watching the video. And if you do not like it, then open your mind. I have no objection to dislike. And I will say again, if you share the video with everyone through your social media, then you can benefit from the video of everyone else like you. And if you have any information or give me any feedback, then definitely in the box you will write your opinion. And many thanks from me and you to all those who have already subscribed to the channel. And if you are new to this channel today, then you must subscribe to the channel and the bell icon next to it. Keep up the good content so that you will not miss any of the videos that I have provided for your benefit. And you will definitely benefit from this channel. However, without further ado, let's start with November 2020's Libra horoscope judgment, its question and remedial measures. In this month, you can connect more with a colleague in your office, and some disputes have to be settled in this month. You will be mismatched in the enjoyment of luxury for this month, and your mental peace will come down. The challenge will be to keep all the families together, and it will be very good for you and your family also. And you will not be able to use your intellect properly for this month. And you have some faith in charity and charities also. And you should not be negligent in your work field or in your career field. Some knee and joint pain will causes a very big trouble in your life for this month. And there will be some conflicts in your relationships. Due to the influence of the planets, the work being done can worsen. So be careful about these things and don't be negligent about immovable properties also. And there can be some conflicts in your relationships, so very serious about these things. And don't get carried away by decisions. Your mind will be upset due to non-compliance of the thought work. And do not carry out important works till November 20. Mind it. Maintain a balance between your income and expenditure for this month, otherwise you will come in a very big losses. And someone can cheat you very much. So be careful about these things from the beginning of the month. And the first half of the month will be very favorable, and last half of the month is not so much suitable for you. Take some note of luggage during your trip, and you should stay away from every kind of wrong things for this month. A lover may propose to you in the later part of the month, so enjoy about these things about later part of the month, and make sure you get enough sleep for this month. And do not interfere in the action of others. The auspicious days for you for this month is 1st, 7th, 10th, 13th, 19th, 25th and 28th also. But the inauspicious days for you for this month is 2nd, 3rd, 11th, 12th, 21st and 29th also. Anyway, this was the judgment of Libra for this month's match, its question and remedial action. I will not say anything more than this month. I would like to wish Ma Bogala Devi like every month. Let Hema keep everyone well and keep them healthy and create a very good situation in their life so that they can keep everyone else well and keep them healthy also. Maybe I am here today, I'll be back at the right time next month and I will tell you about the precautionary and remedial measures to judge Libra in front of you. For that time, take care and goodbye.